Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 33-inch farmhouse sink white rectangular kitchen container farmhouse / apron kitchen sink. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐬𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐳.com. Superior material. This farmhouse sink is made of the purest refractory clay. This fine fireclay kitchen sink can be fired at 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. This fireclay farm sink is resistant to high heat, as well as acidic and general household chemicals. Durable and scratch resistant. The glazed luster of the sink is easy to clean, prevents cracking, and ensures that the apron sink is durable. The white kitchen sink has no risk of thermal shock and will not foam, burn, melt, or change color when heated. The processed material is naturally silencing, minimize sound and vibration, and make the sink quieter. This scratch-resistant farm kitchen sink can withstand daily wear and tear, while also preventing damage that could cause the sink to age prematurely. Timeless style gloss white greatly improves overall look of your kitchen sink, adding a splash of color for the whole kitchen. Our farmhouse sinks for kitchens are created with a naturally durable porcelain material that is specially designed for impact resistance. Deep bowl design allows you to stack lots of pans, pots and dishes. Good packaging. This kitchen sink comes with a sturdy packaging, including an agricultural water tank, a removable 304 stainless steel bottom grid, and a filter. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐬𝐢𝐭𝐜𝐳.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐬𝐢𝐭𝐜 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐬𝐢𝐭𝐜 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐷oloresJMoniz12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.